moving right along here now. Get where I was now. Here I go, Beth. Stabbing my hand. Oh, I think I got too much stuff in here. Another tomato can't be on here, can it?
Sure it can.
Okay. Okay. Now what? Mushroom?
Slap on a piece of
And the mushroom?
mushroom.
You know what you're doing with the mushroom?
Look what you got. Show everybody on TV
Hey,
land.
how about that? Mine. Two I done already. Nick, he's done all the rest.
Okay, we got plenty more to make. It's
Okay.
like Thanksgiving, isn't it?
Yeah, really. These things jab you, you know it.
Oh, hey, I got poked by lots. Yeah, I learned to move my fingers now.
Yeah, you do know how to use your fingers.
Oh yeah, I've poked myself quite a few times.
My pepper broke, Nick.
It's okay. I'll eat it.
Okay.
That's the only thing I will eat raw.
Pepper?
Yeah.
No, I never eat them raw. Lisa likes them raw. Gee, you can jab yourself.
Hey, I messed up somewhere.
You did? Should we whistle while we work, Nick?
I'm not even in here. Hi guys!
We've been to the beach all day, had a wonderful day. You wouldn't believe it down there.
Everybody's burned.
Yeah, we're so
So a
burned.
little sunburn.
Oh boy, is it sunburned. Kids had a great time. We didn't want to leave.
No. But we did.
Yep, here we are.
Where would we go after we left the beach?
Where do we go, Nick? Begins with an M.
Went to Santa Monica.
Santa Monica.
Went to Venice.
Venice.
Beverly Hills.
Beverly Hills, Hollywood.
Hollywood. Seen Hollywood sign.
Yes, I've seen the Hollywood sign. Yeah, I got that. Okay, now it's a tomato. See, if I talk and do things, I can't do it. If I concentrate,
Yeah, they tell us about when people do that.
huh?
Can't comprehend two different things at one time.
That's right. But once we catch on, boy,
Hey, something's happening here.
what did you do?
It's not gonna happen in right.
Oh, I don't want to say anything.
Okay, we're gonna cut it for now
Yeah.
and see what happens later.
Alright, we gotta concentrate on this.
Say ciao for now.
Ciao.
Dar. Dar. Say hello. Dar.
What?
Say hello.
Well, now that Nick has messed up our take to go back home at our lovely day at the beach, this is me cleaning up the mess as usual. The easy part. Think so? You
Yeah.
sat there and did it.
Martin said I can't sit and work. I have to stand there.
Dar, they're gonna look at you back home and say, what the hell is she doing?
Fixing my hair to be on camera. What's any of your damn business anyhow?
Hey!